Hello friends, today we are going to introduce this thermometer which is used for measuring the soldering tip temperature of digital soldering station, and it is an essential requirement for periodical calibration and meeting the ISO standards. So let's start, and first in unbox it. We will open it and will show you each and every contents of this equipment. This is a thermocouple, K-type thermocouple. These are thermocouple bridges, sensors, we can call them sensor as well, battery, and this is the main unit. Along with this, we also supply calibration certificate which is valid for 1 year from the date of issue. So first we will switch it on, and first we need to connect the battery. This is how this we need to remove this cover and connect the battery. Positive side should be connected to positive end and negative accordingly. This is how it is closed. Now we need to insert the thermocouple. See, we need to, there are indication is there, blue mark, we should match to the blue mark, and red side to the red mark. So first we need to pull this trigger down and just insert this thermocouple. And release this trigger. Now it is displaying the ambient temperature, which is around 29 degrees centigrade. This is power switch for switching the unit on and off. This is for switching to Fahrenheit and centigrade readings. This is for holding the maximum reading. So we will show you how to measure the temperature of a digital soldering station. First we need to clean the soldering tip in this way and apply some fresh solder. Then we need to touch this thermocouple in the hot condition. See, we can easily see that the actual temperature is 300 degrees centigrade set on the soldering station, but the observation we made on this thermometer is 347. So it is exceeding the set value. We need to calibrate this unit by measuring the tip temperature here on this thermometer. So this is how this system is used, and it is very an essential requirement for meeting the ISO standards. And periodical calibration is also recommended to to reduce the running cost of soldering station. It also prevents overheating of expensive heating element and soldering tips. So we always recommend to use this I191AD thermometer if you are using the digital soldering station. So that's all we have right now. Thanks for